Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Listener text-to-speech AI account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to register a Listener text-to-speech AI online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address listener tech. And guys, do make sure to type in the address that which I typed over here exactly as it is over here, and after that hit on enter, and then we redirect to the home page of listener text to speech AI. And you can see guys, this is the home page. In order to proceed to the registration process, scroll down a little bit, and you can see there is the try the full version option available for us. Click over there where it says to try the full version. And over here guys, this is the sign up page of the voice this is the sign up page of the listener text to speech AI, where you'll be required to enter your credentials like your first name and your last name, and have that enter your pass, and have that enter your email address over here guys, with which we will be logging into our listener AI account later on. And have that create a password over here guys. Do make sure to use at least 8 characters, including some capital letters, some numbers, and some extra special characters. And guys, but this is the process for the manual sign up of the listener text to speech AI, but you can also continue directly with your Google account if you click on this button where it says the continue with Google. If you click on that button, a login page to your Google account will open, and if you log into your respected Google account, you will be signed up, or you will have signed up for a listener AI account, and you will be directly logged into your listener AI account. And with that being said guys, after entering all of your credentials over here, simply click on the start my free trial button available over here where I'm hovering, and you will have signed up for listener text to speech AI online, and a verification link will be sent to you on your Gmail, which provided just over here. Go to that email address, view that verification link, and click on it to verify that you're a human. And after that, your account will be fully enabled, and you will be able to use your listener text to speech AI with ease. And with that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for a listener text to speech AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.